Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to group and ungroup objects in PowerPoint, including handy keyboard shortcuts to speed up your workflow. Grouping objects makes it easier to move, resize, or format multiple items at once, while ungrouping lets you edit individual elements. First, select the objects you want to group. You can do this by clicking the first object, then holding Shift and clicking the others. To group the selected objects, you can go to the Shape Format or Picture Format tab on the ribbon and click Group, then Group. For a faster method, use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+G on Windows or Command+G on Mac. Your objects will now act as a single unit. To ungroup objects, select the grouped object, go back to Group, and choose Ungroup. Or simply use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+Shift+G on Windows or Command+Shift+G on Mac to ungroup instantly. And that's it. By using these grouping and ungrouping techniques, along with the keyboard shortcuts, you can save time and keep your PowerPoint slides organized and easy to manage. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out more PowerPoint tips to make your presentations look professional and polished.